So it's currently Saturday. It's 7:30 in the morning. My coworker never showed up for work, so that's cool. Woke up early on a Saturday for no reason, apparently. So we're just gonna make the most of this day, and we're gonna have a great day. Josh is gonna come over, and he's gonna help me get this thing set up for Pineview Run on September 28th, where I'll actually be breaking it in, hopefully. I guess I shouldn't say breaking. I don't want to break it. We're gonna get this thing ready by installing the Villain's Drift Knuckle kit that I purchased.
Oh wow.
Really excited to see how this thing looks and how much angle this thing has. Hopefully it's comparable to my 240, which I'm sure it will be. Keys.
Round 2, fight!
Getting in a car that actually runs and drives is so awesome. Whoops. Car's a little bit quiet. Can actually talk next to it while it's idling now that Derek put the exhaust on. Can't wait to shred this thing.
What are we doing today?
Closing our backpacks so that we can go exploring with Dora. So I guess for reference, there's stock angle. Because that's a safe thing to do around cars.
Whoa! Jack stands, please. Thomas Scott Robinson. Because believe it or not, we are influencers to certain people. So we influence them to do things the right way.
Huh. Yeah. Hey.
Alright, so here's how the tutorial is gonna go, folks.
Perfect.
Okay, so what do we do here?
So I took the brake off, took the coil off of the knuckle so that we can get it freed up, because we're gonna have to take this knuckle off. We have to take this ball joint out of here. Those are 217 mils. And then this tie rod also has to come out. It's like not a rubber boot, it's like plastic. And it's got a freaking lip there. So you can't
Cut it with a razor blade?
eh.
Can you?
I mean, that's like what I'm gonna have to do. Peach. Ooh. Yahtzee. Is that amber?
Whoa. Oh, that sounds gross.
Is it on?
Yes. Bingo. See, that's how you loosen them up. Okay, so what now, Tom?
217s. I believe, yeah, 217s hold this ball joint on. And then this ball joint will get extended out with the ball joint extenders.
Instead of with a wrench.
I was trying to knock it up. Guess who's getting up?
Okay, so what did we learn, Tom?
Sometimes Josh is right. Okay, so when you're putting this in to make it easier on yourself so you're not on the struggle bus like myself.
What Tom's doing now is he's removing the sway bar bracket so you can put the new bolt in it.
You're gonna want to take the sway bar bracket off so that you can give yourself a little wiggle room to put the bolts in. This back bolt will not go in without that sway bar bracket removed. And then, like Josh was saying, leave the front one, the outside one, slightly loose. If you leave that slightly loose, it'll give you enough wiggle room to put a socket in to actually tighten the back one. It's gonna snap. No, maybe not. I mean, I'm not gonna reuse it. Didn't snap. It's a good cotter pin.
You did such a good job, Tom.
Thanks.
Proud of you. Bingo!
Bingo, bango. Probably should have grabbed the right one. I did grab the right one.
Dang, look at you go, Tommy boy.
They're backwards from a 240. The steering rack's in the front, not the back. So I got kind of confused. Okay, so hub's back together. Knuckle is pressed back on. Basically, when you put the knuckle back on, you just want to make sure that the there's like a little groove in the ball joint that this goes through. So you just kind of want to make sure it's lined up correctly, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what day is it?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yes.
It's like 4 o'clock.
September 17th.
2009.
We're about to take a journey on the Starship Enterprise.
We rescued one good rotary from Area 51.
One good 9 rotor.
So off camera we did a half-ass alignment, just enough to make it move. I guess now we test some angle, go next door and rip a couple donuts.
Do some donies.
See if she rips, and you know, after that it's just getting a proper alignment from Leather Baby. It should be good for Pineview.
Just dragging the muffler along the ground. This kid is something else. Just zip tied his side skirt. Now it's busted off again already. Something else. If you like this video, hit that button right there. Boing. And then pass it along to your friends. and then follow us, because we're cool and we like to have cool friends too. Thanks.